So let's go for it. Let's go for the top 5 movie and TV show websites currently free, available to you to watch around the world. So these websites are 100% free. They're 100% legal, shall we say, so you can watch them. You don't have to worry about someone knocking on your door as they keep threatening in the newspapers. You don't have to worry about any of that. You can watch these websites. You can catch all the films which are on them. Some have got modern films, some have got older films, and they're all easy to use and easy to load up. A lot of these websites also have applications you can install on other devices, but I'm going to go through these one by one. And before we do that, if you are into your streaming and your streaming and TV content, make sure you do hit that follow button, get following, and make sure you do follow us on this channel, and we will keep you up to date and you will keep streaming for free and safe. And before we get started, if you do need one, get yourself a VPN for your privacy online. It's very important for online streaming because some websites you may access may be using your data, so you want to make sure you're keeping yourself safe. Plus, the geolocations of lots of these apps and websites around the world. Because we broadcast to a worldwide audience, some websites will be for some countries and some for others. Okay, so let's get into it. First one we're going to talk about today is Popcornflix. Popcornflix is a website with a big movie and TV show content library, but, I say but, the thing with it I found mostly on this one, they're not the most up to date. They're not the oldest, but they're not the most up to date. There's some great films on here and it's very easy to use. There's not much to the user interface. So you have a big advertising movie, shall we say, at the top, scrolling through a couple. You've got some spotlights, some new arrivals, action. Then you can go to, you've got a movie section, a TV show section, and then you have a home section. Okay, like I say, it's not huge, but it is easy. So you can click what you want to watch. So let's have a look at this one here. You click it, it loads up. There's no worries about ads or anything like that. I'm just going to pixelate this over at the minute because I can't demonstrate it, as in I'll get done for copyright. But you'll see it's playing, you can skip along, and it's very easy. And as far as I can see, it's ad-free. I've had no adverts come up on mine, but that may be something you may experience, so let me know on that one. On this, I'm not going to go too much into Popcornflix because it is that easy, but check it out for yourself and let me know what you think. Next up, we're going to try, weirdly enough, lots of you may not think to go here, is actually YouTube. YouTube, around the world, some countries have loads of free movies and TV shows, and they are good free movies and TV shows. I currently travelled to the USA with my VPN, so if you need one, comment underneath for that, or check the link out. And because of that, I am now on the movie and TV section on YouTube in the USA, which, compared to the UK, has lots of free movies, okay? So if you're out there in the USA, you've got all these free movies, and other countries have free movie sections as well. Don't get me wrong, you do have the browse section where you can purchase films, or you can try now if you get Prime Time and all this sort of stuff, purchase and live, but you actually have a free movie section, which has some good films in it. They're a lot more up to date than a lot of websites. You can scroll along and find even more films, or you can just look at, you can look at if you want comedy films, action, you can say see more, view all, and there's so much in here. Here we go. Lots of films, lots of good stuff, and easy again. And the good thing about watching films and TV shows on YouTube is that they won't buffer. I say won't buffer. If you get buffering watching YouTube, you've got some serious issues and you really need to maybe give up streaming, get some videotapes or DVDs, because YouTube servers are huge and the chance of getting buffering on that and not knowing why is very slim. So again, these are just click and play. So you'll need to be on your account, which are free on YouTube anyway. Find a film you want to watch. Last Samurai. Boom, we're in. It will be blacked out so I can't record it. But there we go. I can sort of kind of make it pop up just so you can see little bits. And it is playing there, but we don't want to show too much again about that because we don't want to get ourselves in trouble. Number 3, are we up to? One which a lot of you may not use around the world. Here in the UK we use this a lot, but ITVX actually has so much content. The films in ITVX and the TV and the live TV and the sport, everything, is actually one of the best movie and TV apps out there for free. And there's so much on here. Look at these films we got here. Obviously you got your Rambo and a few older ones. You got the Joker film, June, Alien, Star Trek. You go to view all And there is loads in here. London Has Fallen. Again, click, watch now, play. Nice and easy, nice and simple, and another great movie app. You can obviously put your parental controls on, but this one has probably more than most. So you've got categories if you want to look at the categories. You do have an option if you want to sign up for an ad-free, but if not, you have to deal with a few adverts. It's not the end of the world, is it? News, my list, and you have live TV section as well, but we're not really talking about that today. Again, TV, click, play, all the seasons, all there, free for you to watch. So that one is ITVX. It's not hard to remember. Just type in ITVX or itv.com. Main country for this will be UK. So again, if you do need to swap, it is there for you to do. Right, number 4, we have Tubi TV, Tubi TV, Tubi TV, however you want to do it. And again, has very different movies for different countries, this one. So depending on where you log in, you have different countries. Quite up to date. A lot of horror films, a lot of stuff that you probably want to watch rather than have watched. Stuff you might have remembered from the past, like Hostel. Again, quite a simple layout. You've got a browse section. I'm going to load that one back up there for you. So you've got populars, you've got your genres, collections, and all categories. Movies and TV shows. And again, around the world, some places have a few different sections and categories. But again, find one you want to watch, click it, play. This playthrough doesn't save what you got, but if you do create a free account, it will log in and play for you. Let me just move up. And again, I will pause because I had to pixelate a little bit of that. And again, it plays easy. Tubi TV does have adverts, as far as I'm aware. I didn't get one then, but you do get adverts on it. But again, give it a go, give it a try out. And finally, one you probably all heard about is Plex. Plex is a great movie app, great films, great TV shows. You've got live TV, on demand, and Discover. Discover section is quite cool, quite new. You can type in and it will show you places to watch films and apps. On demand, so most popular movies. Again, you can click it, watch for free. And again, we're in. Straight films, easy to watch. Adverts on Plex is the only thing which is a bit of a worry there. But we just covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all free, loads of content. And guess what? There's more than just 5 out there. There's loads of them. So if you're worried about streaming being too much, you don't want to go down the third-party route, tons of content to watch. Tons of content to watch. Finally, if you really want to, just type in free movies to Google and you'd be surprised what comes up. You know, loads of things. Things I'm not going to click on here because last time I did that I got in trouble. But be amazed what you can find for free. Brilliant. So if you need that VPN, it's linked underneath on offer, which will help you open up a broader range. Yes, that can make it obviously not free, but you should be using a VPN for your privacy anyway and your security. Perfect. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. Check out all my other socials and links underneath. No matter what social you are watching on, make sure you hit that follow button, and I'll see you soon.